Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Mivi Duopods A350. So the A350 is not a newly launched earbud and not a very old earbud as well. So it was launched back in July. At that time, the price was around 999 rupees, the launch price. So now the price has gone down and it is available for 799 rupees at Amazon. So I'm seeing that some people are considering it. So for the sake of those people, I'm making this review video so that you guys can get an idea that whether you should buy it for 799 rupees or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this is the Mivi Duopods A350 box. Classy Mivi packaging. Inside you get your instruction manual and warranty stuff. The Duopods A350, which I will be coming on to in a moment, and a black colored box inside which you get to see your USB Type-C charging cable. So that's it for the box contents. Now let's check out the Duopods A350. So this is the Duopods A350. The design of the case is very similar to the Duopods F60, which they launched a couple of months ago. The build quality is also the same as the Duopods F60, which I will say is decent for the price. Just like the F60's case, you get to see a flat circular case with battery LEDs and Mivi branding in the front and a Type-C port at the bottom. The shape of the earbuds is a little changed if you compare it with the F60, and this is a ear tip-less design. F60 earbuds has a ear tip design. You get to see a little bit of plastic trimming on the stem to make the touch controls. This makes it easy to find, and on top of that you get to see pairing lights, and at the bottom you get to see the charging pins and microphones. On the very top you get to see left and right indicators, and the hinge and all is good. Looks and build quality is also good for the price, I will say. Before telling you about the fitting and sound quality, let me quickly tell you about the specifications. So this comes with Bluetooth version 5.1, it has 13mm dynamic drivers and comes with a IPX4 rating. It supports SBC and AAC audio codecs and comes with dual MEMS microphones. For the battery, it has 40 mAh in each earbuds and the case has a battery of 500 mAh. And last but not the least, it comes with 1 year of warranty. Now let's talk about the fitting and sound quality. So the fitting is decent, I will say. I found it comfortable, but you may or may not feel the same as we all have different ears. Now, if you like ear tip-less design, then you will understand. Otherwise, since it is a non-ear tip design, you will be able to hear all the surrounding noises, which is kinda annoying. And now in terms of sound quality, I will say these are quite good for the price. Now, generally in this price range, the earbuds are not good, and this is a non-ear tip design, so I was not expecting at all. But for the price, I felt this is a good product, and if you consider it like with other buds priced at similar range, so the sound quality is quite similar, and now you are getting 200 rupees discount, so that is a very good thing. So if you are able to create a somewhat seal like fit, then you will be able to get a decent amount of bass, and all other things like treble, clarity, etc. felt okay for the price. Controls are usually what's present in every other earbuds, nothing specific here. So if you want to know the controls, then please refer to the instruction manual provided. So it comes with 2 MEMS microphones. Now I will say right away, the call quality is average. No matter what they write, 2 MEMS microphones or what, the call quality is average. You can't rely on heavy crowds, but in normal situations like in normal indoor situations and outdoor like slight crowd, it will work perfectly. I'm not providing a mic test because that's kind of boring and you guys skip it. So if you think that the mic test is necessary, then just let me know in the comments and I will be including that in the next review videos. So as I said before, it has a battery capacity of 500 mAh in the case and it has 40 mAh in each earbuds. So the case will be able to charge the earbuds 4 times and it takes 1 hour for the device if you plug it for charging. For the battery backup, the company claims 50 hours of playback, which is too much to expect, but you can expect a battery life of around 30 to 35 hours depending on your usage. To conclude this, I will say that this is neither a good product nor a bad product. This is a very similar product to what's already available in the market. So if you want to go with the Mivi brand, you can definitely go with it, no issues. Otherwise, you can go with any other brand, any other product from any other brand in this price segment. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, then give a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.